Hi children, good morning. This is your maths class. Okay children, take your activity book, open page number 28. Take your activity book, all of you, open page number 28. Okay children, see here comparison of numbers. Already we learned in previous class comparison of numbers. Greater than, less than, is equal to. Okay children, first we will count how many cats are there in left side and how many cats are there in right side. First count and write down in these boxes. Okay, count children, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Write down children in box 17. Okay. In right side, how many cats are there? We will count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Write down children 14 in this box. Okay. 17 is big number or 14 is big number? Which number is big number? 17. So that side only crocodile mouth is present like this. So that symbol is greater. Greater than. 17 is greater than 14. See next one. What are these? Ducks. How many ducks are there in left side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Right side, how many ducks are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Write in this box. There are 14 ducks. Which number is big number? 14 is big number. So, that side only crocodile mouth symbol. Less than. 12 is less than 14. Next. See children, ice creams. What are these? Ice creams. How many ice creams are there? Cones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write down 9. Here. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here also 9. So 9 and 9. Same numbers. So here we will use is equal to symbol. Okay children. Next. How many cakes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Next. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So which number is big number? 11. So 11 is greater than 8. See children, next. How many lollipops are there? What are these children? Lollipops. How many in left side? Count and say. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write down in little box 8. Next, here right side, how many lollipops are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So write down in that box 11. So which number is big number? 11 is big number. So less than. 8 is less than 11. See children, here 17 is greater than 14. 12 is less than 14. 9 is equal to 9. 11 is greater than 8. 8 is less than 11. Okay children, see, paste the crocodile stickers provided in the sticker page appropriately. Okay children, in this book only, in your activity book only, turn the last page. Okay, in this last page, one sticker page is there. Tear it like this and okay, come to this page. Here 745. What is this number children? 745. What is this number? 457. Which number is big number? 745 is big number. So that side only crocodile mouth is present. Okay children, see here. What is this picture? Crocodile mouth is present left side. So take it and stick like this. Okay children, are you understood? Greater than 745 is greater than 457. Okay, next, what is this number? 666. 696. Which number is big number? 696 is big number. So crocodile mouth is present this side. So less than. Where is less than symbol? Take it children and stick like this. Less than. 666 is less than 696. Next, 234, 432. 432 is big number. Yes? So take less than symbol. Stick like this. Next, 589, 459. 589 is big number. So here take greater than symbol. Okay children. Next, 45, 54. Which number is big number? 54. Take less than sticker and stick like this. Okay, next, 393, 339. Which number is big number? 393 is big number. So crocodile mouth is present that side only. So we will take now greater than symbol. Crocodile mouth is present left side. Next, second, 999, 99. Which number is big number? 999. So take greater than and stick like this. Which number is big number? Only that side only crocodile mouth is present. Okay children, you understood? Here this number is big, so that side only crocodile mouth is present. This number is big, so that side only crocodile mouth is present. Next, 323, 332. Which number is big number? 332 is big number. So take less than symbol here. Next, here what is this number? 199, 145. Which number is big number here? In these two numbers, 199 is big number. So that side only crocodile mouth is present. So we will take now greater than symbol. Okay children, here stick greater than symbol like this. 678, 687. Which number is big number in these two numbers? 687. 6 is common children here. Next digit 7 and 8. 8 is more big. So this number is big number. 687. So take less than picture. Okay children, are you understood? Take carefully. Okay children, less than. Here 812, 811. Which number is big number here? 812. So take greater than symbol and stick like this. Stick neatly children. Next. 706, 760. So 706 is big number or 760 is big number. Which number is big number here? 700 and 700. Here 706 only. Here 760. So this is the big number. So that side only crocodile mouth is present. So paste neatly less than symbol here. Paste neatly children like this only. Less than. See children, 745 is greater than 457. 666 is less than 696. 234 is less than 432. 589 is greater than 459. 45 is less than 54. Like this only you have to tell the sentence. 999 is greater than 99. 323 is less than 332. Children, are you listening, ma? Listen carefully. Okay, I will recall it again. Listen carefully. 199 is greater than 145. 678 is less than 687. 812 is greater than 811. 706 is less than 660. Okay children, like this only you have to complete 28 and 29 pages in your activity book without any mistakes. Okay children, we will meet again in next class. Thank you children. Take care. Bye.